What's that tool?
This is multi-master cutting tool. Well,
Not going to be cutting the toilet out, are we?
I'm doing, actually what I'm actually doing today is that platform where the toilet is at now. I want to make it disappear.
Do you want to demonstrate getting up onto the toilet so that, like, see how high it is? Oops.
So, problem is...
Don't actually, like...
With this toilet...
Oh, you're not going to take them down? Oh, good.
You have to stand on this platform here to go to the toilet. It's not really on. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to look what's underneath this top level. I'm going to have a chop through there just to see what that is there. And if I can...
What do you mean? What do you mean? What
this
that?
blue platform
Okay.
where the toilet's at.
Yeah.
And if I can, depending on what's in there and behind it, I'll get rid of this whole level.
Yeah, and make it lower.
And then put the new toilet then on the lower level.
Yeah.
And if necessary, I'll chop that one down as well.
But then we'll be sitting on the floor. But remember, I've got slightly longer legs than you.
That's your problem.
So what did you discover?
So, really pleased with what I discovered.
Good.
As I suspected. This platform is a forced platform.
Yeah.
And it will enable us to, so I'll take this face off, take this platform out, and it will allow us then to extend this lower platform back and then have a toilet which is going to be more accessible.
Okay.
So it'll be sensible
Okay.
height, I guess. So I'm really pleased. So it's just, all I'm doing is poking around because this job is coming on. It will be
You said you were going to have a relaxing day today and you might play your guitar.
not happening.
It does smell like hot wee though, when the heat is up. It's not very
It's not, it's fiberglass.
Oh, but it still smells like hot wee. It must...
There you are.
Thank you. All right.
Hello.
Hello. What's... You've taken the toilet out?
Well, yeah. Well, it's
It's like... What time is it now?
6 o'clock, Sunday evening.
And you just thought, oh, I'll just take the toilet out. Or the head, as they say.
It will give me something to think about.
Don't you think you've got quite a lot to think about already?
Well, yeah, I know, but
While you're floor sanding, you'll be there thinking about...
toilets.
Lovely.
So anyway, I've disconnected it,
Yeah?
and at last,
Oh gosh, is it okay? It's not...
it's fine.
What, really? Because we've taken some out in the past and they've been rather... Do you need a hand?
No.
Us as well.
Oh, dear.
Mind the holes in the floor.
So I'm just going to leave it there for now.
Because we're going to have to hoist it up out of the...
We are.
out of the thingy, aren't we? Because we can't take it up the spiral staircase. That makes it more fun. Yay! Stinky toilet out.
Stinky toilet out and...
I don't want to look... Oh! That's surprisingly...
Stinky?
It is, but I don't know. I kind of feel like it was more minging before. Yeah. Okay. Well, that gives you a lot to think about.
Yeah.
So I guess you'll be
Thinking
researching on your iPad as well this
No,
week.
I
You know what you're doing.
I know where I'm going with this.
You do. I'm glad you know.
Demolition.
Yeah, well, that's going to come to an end at some point. Then what are you going to do?
Never.
All right. Well done for getting the stinky toilet out.
Cool.
Or as they say,
So,
the head.
Next weekend, we'll be back, hopefully.
Yeah.
And...
Paint the wall for me.
Oh, let's do the tile thingy.
Oh, yeah.
And, yeah, because when we last spoke, we were tiling.
But we hadn't grouted it.
No, we hadn't grouted it, so it's grouted and...
Yeah, excuse the mess.
So it's grouted and it's on the wall.
Okay, hang on. Lovely, isn't it? Very nice. Very nice indeed. You've made a nice job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Lovely.
So that's another job closer.
Uh-huh.
So next weekend I will be starting the electrical work. For sure.
You said that last week, I think.
No, for sure. I will definitely start the electrical work.
Okay, and it was actually a little bit sunny today, which was quite promising, but you can't trust the weather, so...
And I went outside and had a quick
Sweep
up.
around. Yep. And I painted... Did I put 2 or 3 coats on there today?
You put 3 coats?
No, I didn't. I put 2.
Coats.
Yeah, I put the last prime coat and the first top coat. So next weekend I will be putting another top coat on there. All right, well, let's go home. Farewell, Avona.
And we will speak next week.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.